Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Albuquerque, you pull and pay. Got a 99 Porsche Boxster. Look like somebody wrecked that thing. Boy, it's Honda galore. If you got an Accord, any color, you got the parts. Another 850 down at the pull and pay. It's the only one in the junkyard right now. Pretty beat up, but I was kind of surprised it had the Celsius temperature information. So I'm wondering if this car came from Europe or Canada. It's a 95. So, and it's non-turbo. Somebody took the, what do you call it? Throttle body. It was beat up. That's for sure. Mostly black. They destroyed this side of the car with the forklifts. Mount was dead. Somebody kicked the ABS sensor. Took the knuckle loose for something. Oh, I guess they took this side CV axle out. So here it is, folks. The only 850 in you pull and pay in Albuquerque. Dead but not forgotten. Got a 92 740. I forget what that Fox symbol is. $740 wagon. Red block. Oh well. Down at the shop, they've been milking one of these Saabs. It takes too much pressure to apply the brakes. They have literally replaced everything on it. It's a 2000 9.5. The only thing they haven't replaced is the actual pump assembly. So I'm going to pull this off. They already tried the module. We'll pull this off, take it to them. Hopefully that'll fix that crying Saab. Now I say put full coverage on it. The brakes don't work. You'll find out soon. And get you $1,000 for it from the insurance company. Looks like I had 6 lines, 10 millimeter. Got all those off. 2 bolts on the side. Seemed like they were 13. So let me see if I can slide this up and out of the bracket now. And if there's something else holding it, I'll let you know. I'm going to wedge something under the bottom and try to pry it up and out of there. It lifted up, came right out. Those 2 bolts on the side and the 6 hydraulic lines. Let's check one more thing and get out of this junkyard. Chop. And look what we see here. It's been somewhere where it's caught some rust. But hey, the car with the most miles in the world, just like this. Volvo all the way, baby. Tony lowered his S70. Man, it doesn't look bad. He said he doesn't like the feel of the ride, but it did lower it quite a bit. I think his car actually was riding a little high. Cleaned up, probably looked better. Back in town, so I checked my mail. I got a few packages in. This is the timing toolkit for the Jaguar 4.0, 4.2, whatever those engines, and those XJ8s and Land Rovers. So I'm prepared to work on that timing. That's the timing chain and the timing chain tensioners secondary. I also got my packaging. I got my T5R badge for Queen Bee that melted off the back. And I got the valve stem seals in so I could rebuild the cylinder head for James up there in Kentucky, close to Cincinnati. Only thing I'm missing is the gasket kit for the Jaguar. So we got some progress. Be all washed up, ready to go. Rinse my transmission off so I could put it in storage. And I'm going to put that emblem on here in a little bit. Now, this place has good brushes, like natural horsehair brushes for your car. It was a little hard to get the bugs off the front, so I had to use this nylon brush on the bumper, which is not real good. Then this is the brush I use to clean my wheels, wheel brushes. So Queen Bee's all cleaned up, ready to park. I'm gonna get this transmission down to storage. I'm going to end the day with putting my T5R badge on. You guys may remember this thing got melted off when the car got burned. So I'm just going to eyeball it, peel this off, put it there. I did notice that the tape on the back filled in that space in that 5. So that would have just accumulated with dirt, wouldn't have let the yellow shine through. So I cut that out the back before I stuck this on. So let me eyeball this the best I can, get this on here. That's it. It's on pretty straight. T5R. I pressed it on for about a minute. That adhesive double-sided molding tape should hold it on there pretty good. And that's about where they are originally. So that's where I stuck it. If you look real close, you can see the yellow through the 5. Maybe if I had the light on. Nice and clear. So, the car is now badged real good. And I have a new one of these that I'm going to stick on the Panther. I might get it and stick it on this car, because I didn't stick it on the Panther yet. Moved that one to the Panther since this car is the cleaner of the two. I'll decide later. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.